Here's a tip for you. After I cleaned all this off, remember it was tacky for a couple days, you could take the old carpet pad, if it's still nicely and clean, you could cut strips of it and you could put it down the hallways or whatever. And we ended up not doing that. I ended up using my paper bag shoes on down there, and it's still slightly tacky, but I think, hear that? I think it's because of my actual shoes, and I'm not leaving any marks, but I did leave a couple marks right in here, and so I should have nabbed it. I should have put this down a little bit earlier, but I didn't. But that's something you can do. There's a tip for you. Yeah, believe it or not, this is the last bit of tile I have to do in this house, right here. That's where that sauna was, and I've got everything else pretty much ready. Once I take this out, I'm going to have to take the black tar out, and then I'm going to clean it and make it look like just the rest of this floor, and then I'll have to sponge out. If you remember, once I get this section done over here, I'm going to have to sponge out the entire room so that I don't have an imperfection line all the way across here. Okay, I've got the hallway all set up. Yeah. And I don't think I'm going to have to stain any of this. I don't think I'm going to have to put any orange stain on here or anything. I'm just going to seal this the way it is. And once you put the light on here, it picks up all kinds of different colors. Doesn't that look kind of cool out here? It's going to look very leathery. You put in some nice furniture in here and some different tables and stuff on the walls and stuff. This is going to look awesome. Okay, well, I guess I better get to it and take this out of here. Yeah, we might even go to, I need to plug this back in. I'm going to take this into the other room. This is my battery charger for my video camera. I'm going to charge that up while I'm gone. And you know, I think we're going to go to Costco. At least one of the things we're going to do today is go to Costco, because I'm going to show Laura some video cameras, maybe a Sony HD camera like what I have. And I don't know if they have any tripods there or not, but at least we can look at the video cameras, because that's a good place to get one. You know, a Sony, if you have a Costco around. So we're going to look at that, because Laura here, she's going to start doing videos of all her own stuff. She's an organic guru, all natural kind of stuff on eating and on healing your body and all kinds of stuff. She's got lots of good things to say, and I'm going to give her some tips and pointers along the way on starting her own YouTube channel. You go, girl. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.